184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We've got auto express windows, the child lock button, and the programmable memory seat. This Terrain comes with a premium Bose sound system, as well as the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, Denali badging in both headrests, and a power moonroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the power sunroof buttons, the programmable garage door opener, and OnStar. Here we have GMC's infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn that guidance off or back on. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB and power plug-ins. Down below we've got park assist, heated and cooled front leather seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and off-road mode. This is the wireless charging pocket. Place your phone in the pocket and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille, fog lights, 19-inch aluminum wheels, a 2-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator. Roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, we've got the rear window wiper and washer, as well as the power lift gate. We can pop that open with the push of a button. The trunk is quite spacious. We've got some cargo hooks, the levers to fold the second row seating down, a power plug-in, and a larger storage compartment located down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, power windows. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got the heated rear seat buttons, some USB and power plug-ins. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And we can fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever located on the top of the seat for the longer, larger items we'd like to stow away in the back. So come take a look at the 2020 GMC Terrain Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at western gmc